I present to you an audio-visual recording that aptly demonstrates the fearsome power of this here motorized implement, devised for logging purposes, when employed as a weapon against certain choice adversaries. Furthermore, I shall also elaborate on the methods for acquiring this invaluable tool for your own purposes. As you shall now bear witness to, the motorized woodcutting device is more than adequate for the destruction of the natural domiciles of Vespula germanica, also known as the common yellow-jacket wasp. In spite of the normally inviolable laws of thermodynamics, this remarkable fiber separation machine happens to be a perpetuum mobile, performing usable work indefinitely, without consuming any energy, fuel, or ammunition in any conventional sense. Using this incredible device invokes associations with a rather different medium of entertainment, one that bears the brand of the despicable deceased. Among the many virtues of the item which I am exhibiting to you is its propensity to stagger incoming assailants, forcing them back with its sheer power. Now at last, the moment you have been waiting for, when I shall reveal to you the secret of procuring the inexhaustible, hand-operated, portable bladed tool assisted by an internal combustion engine, which propels a chain inlaid with sharp teeth that rotates along a fixed guide bar. The exact methodology, which I will now describe in detail, consists of